In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix beginning balance issues while reconciling in QuickBooks Desktop. If you're seeing a beginning balance warning during reconciliation, don't worry. This usually means that one or more previously reconciled transactions were changed, deleted, or entered incorrectly after the last reconciliation was completed. The good news is that QuickBooks Desktop gives you tools to track down the problem and correct it. To get started, go to the top menu and click Reports. From there, choose Banking and then select Previous Reconciliation. This report helps you review the most recent reconciliation activity for the account that's causing the issue. Once the report window opens, select the account you want to review. After choosing the correct account, click Discrepancies. This is an important step because the Discrepancies report will show you any transactions that were changed or removed since the last reconciliation. In many cases, this is exactly where the beginning balance issue starts. Take a close look at the transactions listed in that report. You may notice that a payment, deposit, check, or other entry has been edited or deleted. Identifying that difference helps you understand what needs to be corrected before you continue reconciling. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Company. Then choose Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of accounts in your company file. From the Chart of Accounts, select the account where the reconciliation error is happening. Make sure you choose the same account you reviewed in the previous reconciliation report so that you're fixing the correct balance issue. Double-click the account to open its register or transaction list. Here you can review the activity in detail and either select an existing transaction or enter a new transaction if needed to correct the problem. This is the step where you fix the beginning balance issue by restoring missing information or adjusting the transaction that caused the discrepancy. As you make changes, be careful to match the correct dates, amounts, and transaction types shown in your records. Accuracy is especially important here because even a small difference can affect the reconciliation balance. Once the correction has been made, you can return to the reconciliation process and check whether the beginning balance now matches as expected. And that's it. By using the previous reconciliation report, checking discrepancies, and reviewing the affected account in the Chart of Accounts, you can quickly find the cause of the issue and fix beginning balance problems in QuickBooks Desktop.